In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove PayPal from Shopify. If you're transitioning to a different payment gateway, standardizing your checkout, or troubleshooting PayPal-related issues, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn PayPal off in your Shopify admin without any confusion. Before you start, it's a good idea to make sure you already have another payment method enabled so customers can still check out while PayPal is disabled. Begin by opening your Shopify admin and signing into your store. Use your store owner or staff credentials with the right permissions so you can access payment settings. Once you're in the admin, look toward the bottom left corner of the dashboard and open Settings. This is the control center for everything behind the scenes, including checkout and payments. Inside Settings, go to Payments. The Payments page is where Shopify lists your active and available payment providers. You'll typically see your primary gateway at the top, followed by alternative options and any accelerated checkouts. Find the PayPal section on this page and select it to open its details. Shopify often auto-activates PayPal Express checkout for new stores if the store email matches a PayPal account, so even if you didn't set it up manually, it may appear as active here. Opening the PayPal panel lets you view its current status and options. Now choose Deactivate. Shopify will ask you to confirm that you want to turn it off. Confirm the deactivation, and Shopify will remove PayPal as a checkout option. If you previously had express checkout buttons from PayPal on your product pages or cart, those buttons will no longer appear once deactivation completes. Give the change a moment to propagate, then refresh your storefront and, if needed, your browser cache to see the update reflected on the customer side. After deactivation, your checkout will only display the remaining payment methods you've enabled, such as Shopify payments or other third-party providers. If you rely on PayPal for certain customer segments, consider communicating the change on your site or via email so there are no surprises. And if you ever need PayPal again, you can return to the same payments area and re-enable it. Shopify will guide you through reconnecting your PayPal account. A quick tip: review a test checkout immediately after deactivation to ensure everything works smoothly and that your preferred payment methods are visible and functional. Also, keep an eye on any pending orders that were placed with PayPal before you turned it off. They'll continue to follow PayPal's normal processing even though new orders won't use it. That's it. PayPal is now removed from your Shopify store in just a few clicks.